My name is Telian, I'm 20 years old. I chose HRC because they provide really nice internships for the students. That was one of my main reasons that I chose to study in HRC. The other reason is that I've always wanted to be a chef. I've always known this right from the start since I was a little kid. This was my dream. I went through a lot of stuff actually. I was cameraman, I was a photographer, I was studying a little theatrics and stuff, but at the end this stuck with me. I'm really happy with my choice. My internship was in the Netherlands, Amsterdam, Hotel Okura. It was a place where I could grow a lot, and it was good that I saw my progress throughout the months and throughout my period of internship. It was nice to see that people who have been in the business for so many years start to trust you and start to give you more responsibilities. So after a few months of working in Hotel Okura, I went to almost each and every one of the departments. I was working not only in the main kitchen, the banqueting section, but in a few of the other restaurants, one of the smaller ones, 2 Michelin star places as well. Eye-opening experience. It was completely different than everything I've ever done. The most important thing that I learned, not only the Michelin star place, but throughout the whole internship, was that you have to be organized always. You have to work organized, you have to work clean, you have to be always one step ahead. You should know what your next move is and maybe even the move after. If you're not sure 100% how things should work out, you should still be confident and things come naturally. My professional dream is maybe in a few years' time to have my own place, my own restaurant. I hope it's going to be in Bulgaria, and I want it to be like smaller place but with more fine dining cuisine. I hope it can be farm to table concept, because especially here in Bulgaria, the produce that we can make, the ingredients that we can grow, they're really amazing. The choice is bigger and there are a lot more ingredients in foreign countries, but what we have here, the quality is really unmatchable. So a good thing of HRC Culinary Academy is that the students always work with professionals who have been working in the business for so many years and they have a lot of experience. It's a good thing that each and every student can find a person who can show him his direction. The academy gives a really strong base, especially for classic French cuisine and classic techniques. If you're passionate about food and you want to be a kitchen professional in the future, HRC is your place.